Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add Sparkline in Google Sheets document. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show Sparkline. Now we can see. Then I show. Now start from a Sparkline add. Now select from a and plus. Now click for a merge cell option. That is. Now select from a raw. Now keyboard press from a equal option. Then type from a Sparkline. Now for select. Then select from a all number. Now keyboard press from a first bracket close. Then try from enter. That is. Now line color. Now click for a that is. Then I show. Now change line color. Now click for a text color option. Then choose color. That is. Then I show add Sparkline in Google Sheets document is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.